Welcome back to the channel, traders. If you're watching this, chances are you've spent hours, maybe years, studying Forex. You've watched every ICT video twice, backtested strategies until your eyes burned, and you can recite support and resistance levels in your sleep. You know how to trade. So why are you still losing? Why does your account balance look like a roller coaster you didn't sign up for? Today, we're diving deep into why most Forex traders fail. And it's not what you think. It's not your strategy. It's not the market. It's the critical gap between knowledge and action. Stick with me. This one's going to hit hard, but it's going to change the way you trade. Let's get into it. Let's start with the truth bomb. Knowing how to trade doesn't make you a trader. I know, it sounds harsh, but hear me out. Think about it. You've studied candlestick patterns, Fibonacci retracements, liquidity grabs, you name it. You've got a notebook full of setups that could impress any Wall Street vet. But when it's time to pull the trigger on a trade, what happens? You hesitate, you second guess, or worse, you go rogue and take a trade that's nowhere in your plan. Why? Because knowledge isn't execution. It's like knowing how to cook a gourmet meal but burning toast every morning. Knowledge is just the starting point. Here's the thing. Forex trading isn't about how much you know. It's about how well you do what you know. And most traders, they're stuck in this endless loop of learning more, thinking that one more course or one more indicator will fix everything. Spoiler alert, it won't. The problem isn't your strategy. It's your inability to stick to it. And that, my friends, is where the real battle begins. Let's talk about commitment, or more accurately, the lack of it. Picture this. You've got your trading plan. It's a masterpiece. Entry points, stop losses, risk management, the works. You're hyped, ready to crush it. Monday morning rolls around, the market opens, and you see a setup that kind of looks good, but it's not in your plan. What do? If you're like most traders, you take the trade anyway. Why? Because deep down, you're not committed. You're not a trader. You're a chart addict with commitment issues. Here's where it gets real. Trading is 80% discipline and 20% strategy. You could have the best system in the world, but if you can't follow it like a machine, you're toast. And discipline, it's not sexy. It's not fun. It's saying no to that shiny trade that's screaming easy money. It's sticking to your 1% risk, even when you're sure this is the trade of the century. It's boring, but it's what separates the losers from the winners. So what's the gap between knowledge and action? It's execution. Execution is everything. It's the difference between dreaming about financial freedom and actually building it. But here's the catch. Execution isn't just about taking trades. It's about taking the right trades at the right time with the right mindset. And that's where most traders fall apart. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you followed your trading plan to the letter? Like, no deviations? No, I'll just tweak this one thing? If you're squirming right now, you're not alone. Most traders treat their plan like a suggestion, not a rule book, and that's why they fail. Execution means treating your plan like it's non-negotiable. It means building habits so strong that even when your emotions are screaming, do something, you stay calm and stick to the script. Now, let's get a little deeper. Why is execution so hard? It's not just about discipline, it's about mindset. Trading is a mental game. You're not just fighting the market, you're fighting yourself. Your fear of missing out, your greed for a quick win, your ego when you're on a losing streak. Until you master your mind, you'll never master your trades. Here's a thought-provoking question. What's stopping you from executing? Is it fear of failure, impatience, or maybe it's that sneaky voice in your head saying, you're not good enough? Whatever it is, you've got to face it. Trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up day after day and doing the work even when it feels like you're getting nowhere. That's how you close the gap between knowledge and action. Okay, enough tough love. Let's talk solutions. How do you bridge this gap? How do you go from being a chart addict to a disciplined trader? Here are 3 actionable steps you can start today. Step 1. Simplify your plan. If your trading plan looks like a PhD dissertation, you're doing it wrong. Strip it down to the essentials. Entry rules, exit rules, risk management. Make it so clear that even your grandma could follow it. A simple plan is easier to execute. Step 2. Build a pre-trade routine. Before you even open your charts, have a checklist. Review your plan, check your mindset, and set your intention. This primes you to trade like a pro, not an emotional wreck. Step 3. Track everything. Every trade, every decision, every deviation. Write it down. Review it weekly. You'll start seeing patterns, like how you always revenge trade after a loss. Awareness is the first step to change. These steps aren't glamorous, but they work. They're the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. And trust me, you can get there. But it starts with committing to action, not just more knowledge. All right, traders, here's the bottom line. You don't need another course, another indicator, or another guru. You need to do what you already know. Close the gap between knowledge and action, and you'll start seeing results. I believe in you, but you've got to believe in yourself enough to commit. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, follow your trading plan like your life depends on it. No excuses, no deviations. Drop a comment below and let me know you're in. Let's hold each other accountable. If this video hit home, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Share this with a trader who needs to hear it. We're all in this together. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.